Number 1. The 1966 Chevrolet Corvair 500, priced at just $5,500 and located in Goshen, Indiana. This model is the base 500 trim, powered by a 95 horsepower engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. It comes equipped with a bench front seat, staying true to the simplicity and utility that define the entry-level Corvair lineup. According to the seller, the car is in fair to good condition, right in that sweet spot for a project car enthusiast. Whether you're a die-hard Corvair fan or someone looking to dive into a budget-friendly classic restoration, the 66 Corvair offers a solid foundation. With its rear engine layout and vintage character, it has all the makings of a rewarding build for the right buyer. Number 2. The 1977 Ford Pinto wagon, priced at $6,750 and currently located in Madison, Wisconsin. This classic compact comes with some charming vintage vibes and a whole lot of character. It's powered by a 4-cylinder engine and is described as a great runner, reliable, smooth, and still seeing regular road time. With just 36,594 miles on the odometer, which the seller believes to be original, this Pinto is still climbing in mileage. So you know it's not just sitting around collecting dust. It's had some key updates, including newer tires, a brand new battery, and it comes with books and records to back it all up. While there's some body rust to be expected for its age, the underbody is solid, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to preserve or restore. Inside, it's got a super cool retro interior that's in great condition. Definitely a standout feature. The seller's even open to sending more pictures, and if you're interested, pickup is cash only in nearby Cottage Grove, Wisconsin. Don't miss your shot at this quirky collectible wagon. Number 3. The 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D, priced at $6,500 and ready for a new home. This classic 66 Mustang is equipped with a 289 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission. Originally a solid runner, but it's been sitting for a while, and the engine is currently stuck. According to the seller, the FMX transmission was rebuilt not long before the car was parked, which would be a major plus for anyone planning a restoration. Structurally, the floors and trunk are solid, and the only rust noted is on the right rear quarter panel and around the battery tray, both shown in the photos. It also comes with Ford 9-inch rear end and traction bars, giving it great potential for performance upgrades. The glass and interior are both in good shape, adding even more value to this project car. With a clean title in hand and an asking price of $6,500 or best offer, this Mustang is a great candidate for someone looking to bring an American icon back to life. If you've been waiting for the right classic pony car to restore, this might be the one. Message the seller for more details. Number 4. The 1969 AMC Rebel, priced at $7,900 and located in San Juan Capistrano. This classic comes with a clean title and is powered by an inline 6-cylinder engine, offering a smooth, reliable drive and leaving plenty of room for enthusiasts looking to upgrade or preserve originality. The 1969 Rebel was part of AMC's midsize lineup, introduced back in 1967, and this particular model year stands out thanks to its refreshed styling. With a bolder front end and a more aggressive stance, the 69 Rebel brought a more modern edge to AMC's design language. While it might not be as commonly seen as a Chevelle or a Fairlane, that's part of what makes it so special. This is a conversation starter, a head-turner, and a slice of underappreciated American motoring history. Whether you're looking for a unique weekend cruiser or a rare platform to build on, this AMC Rebel is a solid choice. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of classic Americana with personality to spare. Number 5. The 1984 Buick Riviera convertible, priced at $10,995 and located in Saginaw, Michigan. This stunning Riviera is an all-original survivor that's been exceptionally well cared for over the years. It runs and drives amazingly well, offering that classic Buick smoothness that made this nameplate a staple of American comfort and class. The power convertible top works flawlessly, no leaks, no hiccups, and the top itself is in fantastic condition. This isn't just a car. It's a piece of open-top elegance from a time when personal luxury coupes ruled the road. You won't find many like this still out there, especially in this kind of original shape. With its classic line, standout chrome, and a ride that floats like a dream, this Riviera is ready for sunny drives, weekend car shows, or simply turning heads wherever it goes. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own a beautifully preserved drop top from Buick's golden years. Number 6. The 1965 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2D. Priced at $9,000 and located in Oak Lawn, Illinois. This T-Bird stands out right away with its bright yellow paint job, redone within the last 7 years. Guaranteed to turn heads wherever it goes. It's a factory AIC car and still sports its original vinyl interior, which remains clean and comfortable with just minor signs of wear. Mechanically, it's been through a major service refresh. The engine and transmission have both been gone through, inner and outer tie rods replaced, fluids flushed, new brakes all around, fresh drive belts, a new sending unit, a new AC compressor, and even a new ground wire. For modern convenience, it also features a brand new retro sound radio with Bluetooth, perfect for cruising with your favorite playlist. The only issues? The windows aren't working, likely needing new switches, and the AC blows a bit weak. But aside from that, the 65 Thunderbird is a stunning, well-sorted classic with serious road presence. If you're looking for a standout cruiser with vintage flair and modern reliability upgrades, this one's worth a serious look. Number 7. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $10,000 and located in Chicago, Illinois. This four-door sedan version of the legendary 57 Bel Air comes dressed in red inside and out and is powered by a strong 350 turbo engine, making it a solid candidate for restoration or customization. A lot of hard work is already done. It's had a complete engine tune-up, all engine wiring replaced, a new dashboard wiring harness, new brakes, new ignition switch and bezel, a brand new battery, fuel pump, radiator, Pertronix igniter points, and even a fuse box upgrade kit. Mechanically, it's had major investment, and it shows. Now, what does it need? A new gas tank. The current one leaks and likely lets slush into fuel line, which is why it cranks but won't start. It also needs wiring for the back and front lights, working horns, and some body and fender work to really bring it back to life. The good news? It comes with a clean title and a whole lot of potential. If you're looking to own a true icon of 1950s Americana with the heavy lifting mostly handled, this 57 Bel Air is a fantastic project with serious payoff. Number 8. The 1976 Cadillac Seville, priced at $7,900 and located in Burlington. This first-year Seville is in very good condition and comes with a remarkable story, just one owner and only 42,000 original miles on the clock. It runs and drives great with no known issues, making it an ideal choice for someone looking to enjoy a vintage Cadillac without the hassle of a restoration project. The interior is clean and well kept, showcasing the comfort and elegance that made Cadillac the pinnacle of American luxury in the 1970s. It's riding on good tires, has strong brakes, and is ready for a test drive. Whether you're into classic cruisers or just want something smooth and stylish to roll into weekend with, this 76 Seville is worth a serious look. For more info, call the seller. Don't miss your shot at owning a low-mileage, original classic with serious curb appeal. Number 9. The 1971 Plymouth Valiant sedan, priced at $9,999 and located in Holbrook. This four-door classic sports a sleek black exterior with a warm brown interior, creating a timeless, head-turning contrast. With only 79,000 miles, it's clear this car has been both cherished and maintained, and it's still on the road today, currently registered, insured, and inspected in New York. This Valiant offers space for 5, making it not just a vintage ride, but a practical one for daily use or weekend cruising. One standout feature? The seller spent over 20 hours hand restoring the original dog bowl hubcaps. Clean, polished, and painted with multiple coats of enamel. They're valued at over $1,000 and add incredible detail and authenticity to the look. The previous owner repainted the car black over its original green, and it now features sharp red and black detailing that draws attention everywhere it goes. The car runs and drives great, though there is some rust on the bottom of one fender and the right rear quarter panel. But the frame, floors, and trunk are all solid steel with no rust issues. It's being sold as is with a non-refundable deposit required, and delivery can be arranged depending on your zip code. If you're looking for a classic that mixes vintage style, personal touches, and reliable road readiness, this 71 Valiant is definitely worth checking out. Number 10. The 1976 Pontiac Grand Prix, priced at $7,500 and located in Edgerton, Wisconsin. This sleek two-door cruiser is powered by a Pontiac 389, giving it plenty of old-school V8 power under the hood. It runs and drives well, making it a strong starting point for someone looking for a weekend driver with character. The car comes equipped with an aftermarket sound system, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes while cruising in style. While it does need a bit of work, the seller is including lots of extra parts to help you finish the job your way. Overall, it's a very clean example of mid-70s Grand Prix, a model known for its bold front end, long hood, and personal luxury coupe appeal. If you're in the market for a project that doesn't need a full overhaul and already has that classic muscle car attitude, the 76 Grand Prix is definitely worth a closer look. Number 11. The 1968 Ford Galaxy 500 sedan, priced at $4,500 and located in Lakeland. Under the hood, you got a solid 302 V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission and factory air conditioning, a rare feature that adds extra value. This Galaxy has 95,000 miles showing on the dash, and it starts, runs, and drives, with the engine reportedly sounding great. The paint appears to be original, giving it that authentic, untouched vintage character. But make no mistake, this one's a project. It needs brakes, carpet, interior work, some body repair, and a general refurbishing. A few doors stick or don't close properly. The trunk is stuck, and the electronics are a bit of a mystery. Tires hold air but likely need replacing. That said, it comes with a new battery, a brand new aluminum radiator, plus the original, and a clean title. It's still sitting on the transport trailer, and delivery is available for a fee. If you've been waiting for an affordable way to get into a true full-size American classic with V8 power and potential, the 68 Galaxy 500 could be your next passion project. Number 12. The 1985 Buick LeSabre Custom, priced at just $2,950 and located in Snellville, Georgia. This full-size American sedan has 133,000 miles on the clock, and it's a true survivor, rust-free, with a strong body and clean lines. The seller is a second owner, having picked it up 3 years ago with 88,000 miles, and it's been regularly driven and well-maintained ever since. Recent upgrades include new brakes and fuel injection, giving it improved reliability and performance while maintaining that classic Buick ride quality. It's smooth on the road and truly drives like a dream. The paint may be showing its age, but the body is straight and solid, making it an excellent candidate for a light restoration or simply a dependable vintage daily driver. If you're looking for old-school comfort, clean lines, and road-ready reliability without breaking the bank, this 85 LeSabre Custom is definitely worth a test drive. Number 13. The 1979 Oldsmobile 98, priced at $7,500 and located in Sun Prairie, Wisconsin. This one isn't just any old car. It's the seller's father's Oldsmobile, and it comes with the kind of care and sentiment that only a long-time family-owned vehicle can carry. While details are limited, the listing makes it clear that the price is negotiable, though the seller kindly requests serious offers only. If you're a fan of full-size American luxury from the late 70s, with that unmistakable square body presence, plush interior, and smooth ride, then this Olds 98 could be your chance to own a true classic with a story. Whether you're looking to restore it, preserve it, or simply enjoy it as is, it's a great candidate with solid collectible potential. For more details, reach out directly and make your offer, but be respectful. This is more than just a car. Number 14. The 1988 Chevrolet K5 Blazer, priced at just $1,900 and located in Pittsfield, Massachusetts. With only 87,000 miles on the odometer, this iconic full-size SUV is being sold ASIS, ideal for restoration or parts. The K5 Blazer has a strong following for its classic 4x4 build, boxy styling, and off-road capabilities. While specific mechanical details aren't listed, the low mileage suggests there's potential under the surface for the right buyer. Whether you're looking to bring it back to life or salvage its valuable components, this K5 is priced to move and full of possibilities. Viewings are by appointment only, so be sure to call or text the number shown in the listing photo. If you're into vintage SUVs and looking for a project with serious upside, this 1988 Blazer might be the one to scoop up before it's gone. Number 15. The 1988 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe 2D, priced at just $800, located in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania. This one's listed as a roller, meaning it's already gutted with no engine or transmission included. But the seller does have some interior pieces, including the back seat, to go with it. The title is clean, but be aware this car needs a full rebuild from the ground up. The seller is firm on price, no offers below $800, and will only respond to direct, personal inquiries, not automated messages. If you're looking for a bare-bone Camaro shell to bring back to life or build into a custom project, this one might be perfect, and it's priced to move because it needs to clear out of storage quickly.